In this video, I'm going to cover how to change the color theme of the macOS terminal. The first thing I'm going to do is open the terminal. Then in the menu bar, I'm going to click Terminal and then Settings. And then come to the Profiles tab in the Settings menu. On the left, there is a list of preset options we can choose. Then in this menu on the right, you can further change these preset options, including the text color, bold color, color set, etc. I'm going to just choose one of the preset options. So I'll choose Ocean. I'll click on that, and then at the bottom of the menu bar on the left, I'm going to click Default, and this will set it to the default profile. I'll then close this settings menu and then close the terminal and then reopen the terminal, and the new theme will be applied.